All right, Algebra 1, we're working on powers of monomials. Our essential question is, can you find powers of monomials? And we are on lesson 4.4, and we're working with powers. We do need to know the rule of exponents of a power of a power. So notice that a power to a power means like a to the m, all of that to the nth power. And what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply. So when you have a power to a power, you multiply. Rule of exponents for a power of a product. Notice that AB, all of it to the m power, it's not distribution, but it kind of distributes. It goes to the A and then to the B, but we don't call it distribution because remember, distribution has a plus or a minus. So another rule that we have to memorize, the rule of exponents for a power of a product. All this is saying is the whole thing, AB, has to be to the m power. So we are going to work on some of these and have some fun. All right, we have m to the third, all of that to the fourth power. Let's go back to our rule. When I have a power to a power, I multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. X squared, all of that to the fifth power, that is going to be x to the 10th. Well, the next one's a little tricky. That's funny that they would throw that at us so quickly. What happens if I have negative b to the fourth power, all of that to the fifth power? Negative b to the fourth power, well, because this negative 1 is to the fourth power, I'm going to have a positive b to the fourth. All of that to the fifth power gives me b to the 20th. All right, so now we're going to have 2 times y. So remember, we're going to take 2 to the fourth power times y to the fourth power, because this is literally saying 2y times 2y times 2y times 2y. Well, I know that 2 to the fourth power is 16, y to the fourth. Same thing happening with this one, negative 4 to the third power. Again, this is just saying, I'm sorry, negative 4mn. This is saying negative 4mn 3 times. Good thing you know your cubes. We need to have another one of those tests, quizzes. Well, I know that negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 is a negative 64. And I have 1, 2, 3 m's and a 1, 2, 3 n's. How you doing? Now, we have explored and quizzed and talked about these. Negative 5 to the second power. Remember, order of operations tells us, well, there's no parentheses, so we're not going to do parentheses first. We are going to do exponents. So the answer to negative 5 to the second power is negative 25. Now, some of you like to put an imaginary 0, because remember, if there was an imaginary 0 there, which there is, but we can't see it, we would do exponents first. All right, what about this one? There are parentheses here, so I know this is saying negative 5 times negative 5, and because you have 2 negatives, it is going to be a positive 25. Now, anytime I replace a variable with a number, this does say x squared here, I am going to put it in parentheses. A lot of you guys will forget this, so I would star circle highlight this. Negative 5 to the second power is a positive 25. All right, a couple more. 4a cubed b squared to the fourth power. You may not know what 4 to the fourth power is. Eventually, we will learn what 16 times 16 is, because remember that's saying 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. That is 256, and when I have a power to a power, I multiply. Power to a power, I multiply. So the answer here is 256, a to the 12th, b to the 8th.